So now we have done the Google Gemini API key already in the previous video you've seen. Now we are going to get the enable API access in your Google services basically. So for that you need to go to Google Developer Console. Okay, just search for this Google Developer Console and you will get this link, which is console.developers.google.com. So the moment you select Google Developer Console, I selected here, and so you, for the first time when you do, you would get it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. So you need to put appropriate ticks and accept it and move forward. Then you would reach this screen. In case you've already, because I've done it already, so it's not asking me. So in case you don't reach this screen, API and services, you can click on these three lines, menu bar basically, and then you can come click on APIs and services. You would come to the screen. Okay, now we need a project. A project should have been there. So if there is no project, if it is already there, that's great. If it is not there, don't worry, you can create a project. Click on this. Now I've got this, so I can create new project, and I create this new project, and I can put whatever name, and then I can create. No, don't worry, default name you can take, or you can add. Organization name is not required. So I create. Okay, now it's creating, you see, and so you are allowed to create some 10 or 11 12 projects or something like that for free. So now it has created a project for me, and you can always create and delete a project also. So now this particular thing shows no data available, obviously, because the new project has been created, nothing has been used. So now inside this project I need to enable, so you saw what I did. I clicked on the library, enable this thing, the screen we were there. Here there's a link called library. I clicked on library. Once I click on library, I can scroll down and find out the Google workspace. So I need, in the automation project, we would be accessing Google Gmail and Google Sheets. You can access other services also, but to begin with, it's Google Gmail and Google Sheets. So for both of them, we need to enable the API. So I see this button, like box here. I click Google Gmail, and you see here enable. So I need to enable the API. So Gmail API I need to enable. So I have clicked it. It's doing that, and it's going to enable. Okay, it's enabled now. So Gmail is enabled. Okay, Gmail is enabled. It says status enabled. I need to also activate Google Sheets. So I go back again to library and scroll down, but I see only three icons, three boxes. Where is Google Sheet? So you see here view all. If you click view all, you're going to see Google Sheets somewhere down below, or you can search on the top also. Okay, now we get it here. Google Sheet is over here. Click on Google Sheet, enable. Same thing. Just wait for maybe a few seconds. Yeah, done. So Google Sheet is also enabled. So we've got two services which have been already enabled, and which is what we need. You can do the other ones also later. The other thing that we would be needing to do is going to this OAuth consent screen. You go there first time, so it says nothing has been created, so you need to create a OAuth screen. So I get started. I click get started. Then I need to put a name, so I put some my first app or whatever. Put your own email ID, whatever is there. Click next. Okay, so if you want to see, you can see the video again. In order, if you're missing out something, you can go slow. I'm making it faster so that the video is of a shorter length. Audience, in that audience you need to click external. Click next. In this contact information, put your own email ID. Okay. So I'm putting the own email ID. Oh, sorry, I missed it. Next. So it's asking me to accept the terms and conditions. I need to click this, click finish, and then continue. So when I click continue, it's showing me this. So I do this create. I click create, and now OAuth has been created. You see here at the bottom. But then it shows you haven't configured any OAuth clients. So we are going to create OAuth client, which we will be doing as we are developing the application. but I'll just open that and show to you, but which will not complete right now in the video. We will be doing during the session. But if you click create OAuth, you would be asking, it will asking again another application. In this case, you will have to select a web application, put whatever name, and in this URI, okay, we would be putting a URI which will be URI of our application, the automation application, which will help us to create and connect, and then we'll do the create and we'll learn the steps that we need. After we have done that, this particular web application we'll have to activate. Right now it will be just in the test mode. We'll have to activate before we are actually able to use it. All those things we'll discuss in the session. Hope you find this thing feasible. I don't see anything which can hold you back on this. However, yes, some of you who might not have who might not have linked your phone number to the Google account, then you will have to do that, because without that, all of this